Can YouTube Shorts grow your channel? Absolutely. In fact, check this out. This is a recent short published to my channel. It got 1,800 views in about 10 hours, generated a subscriber, and it was #1 in my most recent videos. And you can see right here is when I started implementing shorts thanks to Opus Clip. And I want to thank the fine people at Opus Clip for sponsoring this particular video. And there's another huge advantage when you start publishing shorts. They're easier to create, especially when you use a tool like Opus Clip, and allows you to get more data back from the audience, helping you understand what's going to generate even more views in the future. This is a great example. Your thumbnail grabbed my attention. Check out this one word, helpful. This was a mistake, a happy mistake. This banner is generated during live streams using StreamYard, and I typically want to remove it, but mistake, it drove a lot of views, and that is the kind of data that's helping me move forward. Oh, and if you dig videos about YouTube growth, hit the like button so I know to make more videos like this. Now, a lot of people are nervous, rightfully so, about implementing shorts on their channel. Will it degrade the engagement, the view duration of your videos? Will subscribers click away if they see a lot of shorts? Perhaps, but what I believe to be true is that when someone really enjoys and loves the content you create, you publishing shorts is not going to change that. They're not going to unsubscribe. Furthermore, this is Todd B from YouTube. He's the product lead for the YouTube homepage and recommendations since 2014. He's the guy that works on the algorithm. And Todd tweeted out this: I spoke about YouTube building a bridge to better connect shorts to long form content. This is a very good thing. Today, the first lane on that bridge opened. Recommendations now consider recent long form videos from channels the viewer watched in shorts. Are you seeing the power here? This is a no-brainer for me. So how can you get the most from this amazing tool, Opus Clip? Well, first, you can upload your video content or live stream right here. Or even better, simply drop a link from Rumble, Zoom, YouTube, StreamYard, or Google Drive. And notice that your account is based on credits that are based on the length of the video that Opus Clip processes. So if you put in a 1-hour live stream or a 1-hour long form video, well then that's gonna reduce your amount of credits based on 1 hour. And after you've added your video, it's on to some simple, dirty, and quick edits. After Opus Clip has processed your content, you'll find it here. Click on any of the videos or live streams and you'll be taken to all the shorts that were generated. And starting at the top of the page, you'll find the clips that this tool thinks are gonna do the best. They're ranked based on their viral potential. For example, this one has a score of 99. Notice the format here. This is something I've worked on. For example, I like to film using a wider angle because it just looks better in a short. Oh, and this part here is really powerful. It's the new auto intro caption. I like to think of it really as a second title because it adds context to the video short, and furthermore, it's something that the viewer is going to see and it's going to click. So here I added grow your audience, as I know that's what my viewers are interested in. Oh, and you can change the location of the captions here. One of the things you want to be aware of is that this is an automated system. It does a good job most of the time, but if they're low, I don't like that because it often gets in the way of other text on the screen, the title on YouTube. I like them in the middle, and again, you can change that. And furthermore, in the middle, they might come up over your face. So what you can do is just click on the actual video. You can move it around and frame things, centering yourself up, and it'll be awesome. And then with the captions, you can either select 3 lines per page or 1. I like 1. I think it's cleaner, easier to understand, and that understanding, think clarity, is really important in any type of video. Long form, and yes, in shorts as well. You can also change the transition or the look of the caption and more. I keep it at the default colors. It looks great. This is about moving fast, quality, but also moving fast. Auto B-roll is a new feature in beta, and actually the results have been fantastic. Click this, and then what'll happen is it'll just find B-roll based on what you're saying in your short. If you don't like it, you can delete it, or you can have it regenerated here. Also, another option is from Shutterstock, but you're gonna have kind of a watermark on it, so I don't really do that. There may be an option in the future where you can pay a few more bucks and get access to even more B-roll. That's something I definitely might do. I just really value production value because I know the better videos look, especially when the delivery is solid, the better the videos do. And after that, it's really about it. Next, once you're all done, everything is rendered out, you can go ahead and schedule these and then syndicate them to not only YouTube, but TikTok, Instagram, and LinkedIn. First, click on Schedule, select it when you want to be published on these platforms, and then click the button and you're done. Simple and easy. Make sure it's obviously set to private so you can click the button once you want it to go live. You can just double check on YouTube and these various platforms. And when it comes to getting views, this video on the screen will help you to do just that. If you haven't subscribed, consider doing that, and I'll see you on the next video. You dig?